What's up, everyone? We're back here with the Babylambo today. If you notice on your boost gauge that your vacuum numbers are not as strong as they once were, mainly when you're sitting at idle, there's probably a reason for it. My vacuum numbers when I started the car would be right around minus 18, and it would slowly work its way to about negative 21, negative 22. Well, I found a boost or a little vacuum leak yesterday, fixed the vacuum leak, and now the vacuum numbers seem much stronger from the second I start the car. So I'm going to show you guys here exactly what I'm talking about, and if you have the same issue, you might want to look for a vacuum leak yourself. So like I said, before, when I would start the car, the vacuum would go to around minus 18 or so, and then after a couple of seconds, it would slowly work its way towards minus 20 and eventually minus 21, 22. Well, yesterday, after fixing a vacuum leak, it seemed like the numbers were a bit stronger right off the start, so we're going to check it out here and see. Definitely better than it was. Definitely stronger. It would sit around minus 18, and then after a couple seconds or minutes, it would work its way towards where it's at now. So very excited. We're going to take it out for a test drive here, and we'll bring you back in a little bit. Also, since fixing that vacuum leak yesterday, the car sounds super smooth. It's idling really nice. Of course, I love the way my exhaust sounds. We're going to go take it for a little test trip. Let's go. Oh yeah, this thing feels and sounds great. Blow-off valve seems a bit louder, which I guess that makes sense since I did have a vacuum leak, but yeah, the car feels great. It's idling really smooth, runs really nice. Just taking it around the block here just for a test, make sure everything is good. Smooth, baby. Happy with that. We're gonna take it out, hit some boost in a little bit. Goodness. Okay. Man, I love this little shit box here. Let's go.